Hi everyone, this is Miss Garrett, and we're here for round 4 of our book talks. I'm going to talk to you about fantasy books. So I've picked out my favorite fantasy books that are on Sora right now. First, we have Cursed by Thomas Wheeler. Cursed just was made into a Netflix series, and it is a King Arthur and the Round Table story with a twist. So instead of following King Arthur and his band of knights, you follow Nemu, the Lady of the Lake, as she battles paladins, fights a corrupt king, and the dark magic dwelling inside her to unite her druid people. So this is a interesting twist on the King Arthur tale, and it has a strong female lead, which I'm always a fan of. Next, we have The Young Elites by Mary Lou. You follow 3 characters, Adeline, Taryn, and Enzo. One is tired of being hurt, one fights for their king, one holds a secret, but all their paths collide, and you have to see if they can work together to meet all of their goals. Mary Lou also has the DC Batwoman, Batman, and Wonder Woman series, which is great, and the Legends series. All fantastic fantasy books on Sora. The next book we have is The Infects by Sean Boudoin. It is a zombie apocalypse book. So there is a camp of kids, and their camp leaders turn into brain-loving zombies, so they have to create zombie rules. One of the rules is don't be a sap, and sarcasm is always welcomed. This is a humorous yet horrific book that I would suggest that you read if you really like some funny zombie eating brains. Next, we have Six of Crows by Leigh Bardugo. 1 heist and 6 outcasts equals saving the world from certain destruction. This book is Ocean's 11, but with 6 outcasts. It is a fantasy heist, so you get all of the hoodwinking and crime committing, but you also get a bit of magic. She also has another series that I would highly recommend. And lastly, Flamecaster by Cinda Chima. So this has 2 characters and 2 stories that start out separate but intertwine as you read through. So there's Ash, a healer on a path for revenge, and Jenna, a mage-marked girl on the run. And when they meet up, you have to see if they can work together to topple a corrupt king. Corrupt kings are kind of a theme in fantasy books, but these are all on Sora and be ready to be checked out by you.